When we got here on scene, guys, appeared there's someone unconscious on the ground. I don't know what happened.
I was trying to go pick up my girlfriend. I had an accident out, and I'm like, wow, what's going on?
I hope they're all right. It looks like that he was being somewhat responsive, so that's good. If you get on News Now Ninja on YouTube, I'm live right now.
Okay, awesome. Thanks. We just stomped outside like that.
How you doing tonight, love?
All right. That's your family?
It's a lady on the ground. I'm sorry, what'd you say?
It looked like she had stopped breathing. She had started shaking.
Oh, she was convulsion, like having convulsions. Wow.
We have YouTube channels. We go around and we record cops.
Like,
we recover government officials.
Make sure that they do everything
doing
right.
The right job. That's what we were saying. Like,
yeah. So we saw the lights. We were driving through. And we saw the lights, and we just.
And then they was like acting all slow and shit. Instead of just, you know how normally how paramedics be like more alert. They was more draggy.
This is what I have to video is the cops.
Yeah, they was more draggy with the shit.
All right, guys, there was these cops are going hands-on. These cops are trying to go hands-on. This is their family or friend, it appears, on the ground, and now it's getting heated.
Let me go over there. God damn. Oh, okay, sir.
This officer needs to stop antagonizing the situation when they have a family or friend on the ground.
Exactly.
Sir, how you do that is that you move away and then get them to come over there with you and talk to them.
They don't have to do that.
The way he doing it, you know, you're not even leaving the situation.
Yep.
We need more people out here with cameras every day, you know?
Yeah,
The more people with cameras makes a change.
It do.
Cameras don't lie.
Sorry guys, I don't have my stabilizer or nothing with me, so. They're like telling her she's fine and she's convulsing on the ground, saying, please help me.
Please help me.
Jesus help me.
She was saying, I can't breathe.
We're watching them. We were watching them, making sure they weren't going to go hands-on with y'all and be stupid. We got y'all's back.
Hey.
Yeah. In case they did something stupid, I was here for evidence. I was here for evidence. This guy doesn't look like he likes cameras. This guy don't seem like he likes cameras. And that officer right there is antagonistic, pushing people around that are hurt. You know, just checking on their family, pushing around people that are just checking on their family or loved one. These guys are tyrants out here, y'all. Seatbelts! Seatbelts! Buckle up! You got your seatbelt on? You got your seatbelt on? It's laws for everybody, sir. What's your name and badge number? Do you have your seatbelt on, sir? 46192 is the unit that officer's in. I'm gonna find out who that officer is. Putting hands on people, pushing people around in the streets whenever they have a loved one on the ground. Not cool. Not cool, man. Yeah, thank you. Y'all have a blessed night.
Hey, we have YouTube channels, like I said. This is News Now Ninja and Body Handle Authority.
Ninja.
Now Ninja.
Yeah, like news right now, ninja. Yeah, news now,
And
ninja.
like I said, what we do is we go around, we keep the cops accountable, you know, for what they do. I mean,
Putting hands on her like that, not cool. Y'all get over to Authority Check's channel right here, and please, you know, get over there, like, share, subscribe to him, show some love. He's out here with me, also trying to make sure everybody has their rights respected. Obviously, there's a little bit of emotions and stuff in the air right now. But I do have some good videos I'm gonna upload from tonight. There were some good audit passes. And we were riding down the road. I saw some lights, but it was while we were going. Like, I only got to see down the road for a split second. And so I was like, go back, you know, there was a fire truck or something. And they vanished. And we were driving around kind of trying to find them and couldn't find it nowhere. So we had kind of given up. We were working our way back to the freeway to keep moving down the road. And we saw them parked back here in this back alley. This lady was on the ground, unconscious in the road. They said that it took forever for the ambulance and the police to arrive on scene. And once they did arrive on scene, that they were just taking their time and moseying around. And they were trying to, you know, not really get to business. And they were trying to tell them, hey, man, just get to business, what the hell? And then they started going hands-on with the people that are just trying to get the people to help. Yeah, it's crazy. You have to, like, tell these public servants to do their job or they won't. And that's just the simple facts. It's just harassment.
Not even black people, just, you know, harassment period.
No, I get it.
Profiling.
We get it every day just because we have cameras.
Like, for real though.
Just because we got cameras, they come up on us and tell us, like, you know, you can't take pictures here. And we're like, well,
Look,
bullshit.
even you got dreads. Nobody should have to remove their appearance.
No.
Nobody should have to remove their appearance.
No,
for
be
the
free.
cops.
Yeah.
Nobody should have to remove their appearance.
No, be free.
For the cops.